It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.